broken heart, like a broken wing. It must have its time to mend. I am like a crippled bird in hopes one day to fly again. I loved you so, and I was faithful. I cared more than words could say, but love is cruel and life is hateful. Now you've gone and flown away. Oh, to die would be a pleasure, slow to heal, but quick to cry, fragile as the sparrow's feather, crippled bird, too blue to fly.
That was number 47, Cripple.